Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all a very easy custard recipe. This one is made using custard powder, so if you'd like to see how to make this very easy dish, keep watching. First, we're going to start in a bowl with some cold milk. The milk has to be cold so we can help dissolve our custard powder. So go in with the custard powder and use any brand you can find. If you want this, I'll link it down below. Give it a good mix, and you want to mix well so that there are no lumps in the mixture. Once you've mixed it in properly, go ahead and set it aside. Next, in a pot, we're going to go in with milk and sugar. Now at this stage, to this milk, if you wanted to add some spices like cinnamon or nutmeg or ginger, feel free to. And once you've added those ingredients, we're going to go ahead and give this a whisk and to allow that sugar to dissolve. This goes on your stove on a medium heat, and we want the milk to come up to temperature. You want it to be hot, but you don't want it to be boiling. So you see how it's nice and hot and the steam is coming off. Remove it from the stove and we're going to pour in that mixed custard. Once you've done that, give it a mix and return the pot to the stove. Now you're going to whisk until it comes together and it thickens. Please don't walk away, this can burn pretty quickly. While you're whisking, you'll notice that the consistency starts to thicken. And when it gets to this consistency, this is what you need. This is what you're looking for. This is our pourable consistency. You see, it's not too thick, but it's still dropping. I'm going to put this into my greased bowl. You can use a ramekin. It can make 3 small, 2 medium, and 1 large. And when I say large, large is probably about a 4 to 5 inch container. Spread it out. It goes into your refrigerator until it's set. You can even leave it overnight. And once it's set, all you have to do is unmount it or unmold it. See how easily it comes out? That's why we greased the dish. I went ahead and I decorated with some raspberries and blackberries. You can put whipped cream, whatever you want to put on top of it, or serve it plain. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. One thing I wanted to tell you all is if you wanted to put the sugar at the bottom to make a caramel version of this, feel free to. You can do that. Play around with the recipe. Remember, as I said, you can put cinnamon, nutmeg, whatever you want to flavor this, and use condensed milk to make it creamier. Look at the consistency. It has a little jiggle to it, so it's not like firm. It was really delicious and my family enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.